Today we're going to talk about a great vehicle. It's Brittany Blue, Coyote powered, baseball leather interior. As you see it here is a great way to enjoy what we would describe as the ultimate coffee cruiser. You know, this is an interior that's easy to live with. It's got high back seats, they're super comfortable, and this soft leather, we call it the baseball leather. We had somebody from the Chicago Cubs even reach out to us about how beautiful this leather is. It's got wool carpet, it's got everything needed to just enjoy a vehicle like this. It's even got power window lifts with a vintage handle. So it looks like it's an old crank, but it's a power window lift. Now this truck, we've built this truck in the very first year of our business, and it looks honestly as good as it did the first year we built it. See how many miles are on the car. I don't think it's very many. It's 1,738 miles in probably 7 years since it's been in existence. You know, the truck, it's held up incredibly well, and I think it's great. Let's take it for a drive now. If you've got an interest in this vehicle, give us a call. Reach out to us, we'll take care of you. This vehicle even comes with a full 3-year bumper-to-bumper flying doctor warranty. What does that mean? It means if something goes wrong, we'll take care of it wherever it is. We'll fly to you and take care of the vehicle. That's 3 years to the new owner, and it's available now. Give me a call. Thanks so much for joining, and let's take a ride together.